have the pleasure in opening Uluisila 12 crossings. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Commissioner West Reverend Cottage, Kinawale Munagaman, Matinitu. Yeah, thank you for that.
Today we visited the community of Uluisila in Cuvu in Isingtok and saw the progress of work now been undertaken in this sugar community, in the cane community. There's about 40 families, and today we officially open 11 crossings, small crossings, and we also saw the water supply project is still in progress, and a bridge which is also in progress. These projects was brought up to the Honorable Prime Minister during his visit here in 2012 when he visited the community. They are very, very critical projects because they are basic infrastructure for the cane farmers. And when these basic infrastructures are put in place in this type of community, it assists in the production level of sugarcane. According to the community members, there used to be around 30,000 tons in the previous years. These have reduced due to the poor infrastructure. Now that's what we are doing right now, is put in place small crossings, water supply. We have electricity that is already here. We have roads. This will keep the communities in the sugarcane area. This small infrastructure is very, very critical, very, very important to the farmers because, as you know, it's needed in the family. Water, good roads, electricity, and it also improves their standard of living. While they rely on cane as a source of income, they also have basic infrastructure to assist at village level. We will continue to improve this basic infrastructure in all the sugar cane belt in the Western Division, and we will progress through as we move on from next year. Thank you.